Hi, my name is Sharifah Dila binti Shamsuddin and I'm from SC110. My student ID is 2025470414.
Hello, my name is Jehan bin Ayub. My student number is 2025808126.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Ramli. Number student 2025434962.
Good morning, madam and my friends. My name is Muhammad Fakul Hakimi bin Sudarmono. My student ID is 2025402614. So, question 1. First, we need to solve the bank A first. We're using the formula S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. 0.035 over 4 equals to 7 over 800. For M, 4 times 5 equals to 20. So we insert the number. So we get S equals to 40,000 bracket 1 plus 7 over 800 bracket power of 20. So we get the answer is 47,613.60. So now we're going to solve the bank B. Bank B using the same formula as bank A, that is S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. So we got is 0.04 equal over 12 equals to 1 over 300. So the n we using the m plus t. So we get 12 times 5 equals to 60. 1000 bracket 1 plus 1 over 300 bracket 60. So we get 48,839 and 86 cents. So overall, earning should choose bank B because it has better financial return. Question 2. So in this case, we need to find the rest of the period after the first 5 years first. So we're going to use the formula S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket n. So same like question 1, we need to find the I and n first. I using the formula K over M. So 0.045 over 12 over 2 because it say it compounded every 2 months. So we get 3 over 400. For M, 12 over 2 times 4. We get 24. So insert the number S is Rm 10,000 over P bracket 1 plus 3 over 400 bracket power of 24. So we change the position of P and S. So we get P equals to 10,000 divide 1.19641343529. So we get Rm 8,358 and 31 cents. So after we get the P of the rest of the period after the first 5 years, we need to find the P first of 5 years. So using the same formula, S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. So we need to find the I and n first. For I, 0.03 over 4. So we get 3 over 400. For n, 4 times 5 equals to 20. So we use the P of the rest of the period after the first 5 years, 8,358 and 31 cents. The S of first 5 years. So Rm 8,358 and 31 cents equals to P bracket 1 plus 3 over 400 bracket 20. So Rm 8,358 and 31 cents equals to P bracket 1.161184142 bracket. So we change the position. P equals to 8,358 and 31 divide 1.161184142. So the answer is 7,198 and 9 cents.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Ramli. So let's continue to question number 3. Question number 3. Rudy deposits 16,000 in an account at K% compounded every 3 months. After 3 years, the amount is 18,500. Determine the total interest earned. As we know, to find the total interest earned, you must use formula I equal to S minus P. So we substitute the value. S is 18,500 minus P, which is 16,000. So we will get 2,500. So let's continue to question B. To find the value of K, first we set up the formula. Final amount equals principal times 1 plus the interest rate to the power of 12. So 18,500 equals 16,000 times 1 plus I to the power of 12. Next, we divided 18,500 by 16,000. This gives 1.15625. So 1.15625 equal 1 plus I to the power of 12. Now, we take the 12th root to find 1 plus I. The 12th root of 1.15625 is about 1.012171984. Then we subtract 1 to get I. So I is 0.012171984. This is the interest rate per quarter. To find the annual nominal rate K, we multiply I by 4 because the interest is compounded 4 times a year. So K is 0.012171984 times 4, which equals 0.0486879349. Finally, we convert this to a percentage by multiplying by 100. So K is about 4.87%. So that's all for question number 3 from me.
For question number 4, Amir sold a commercial lot for 180,000 ringgit and used 60% of the amount as a down payment on his new semi-detached house priced at 850,000 ringgit. He financed the remaining balance with a 30-year housing loan at 4.6% per annum, compounded monthly. So first we have to find the monthly payment. In order to find monthly payment, we have to find A, which is present value first. As we can see in the question, the cash price is 850,000 ringgit and the down payment is 60% out of 180,000 ringgit, which equals to 108,000 ringgit. So we can find A using the formula A is equals to CP minus DP, which means 850,000 ringgit minus 108,000 ringgit, which equals to 742,000 ringgit. So we have A, which equals to 742,000 ringgit, R, which is monthly payment that we have to find, K is 4.6%, M is 12 because it is mentioned in the question that it is compounded monthly, and I is K over M, which is 23 over 6,000, T is 30, and N is M multiplied by T, which is 360. We will be using the present value formula, and then we just put in the information that we got into the formula, and then we have the final answer, which is R is equal to 308,003 ringgit and 82 cents. Moving on to the next question, which is B, calculate the interest charge. So for this question, we will be using the formula I is equals to N R minus A. So 360 multiplied with Ringgit Malaysia 3,803 and 82 cents minus 742,000, which equals to Ringgit Malaysia 627,375.20 cents, and that is our final answer. For question C, immediately after paying the 288 payment, he decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the balance. So in this question, we need to find how much Amir should pay after the 288 payment until 360th payment. So first, we have to find the interest period by deducting 360 with 288, so we can find the N, which is the balance of the interest period. So the N is 72. In order to find the balance, which is the present value, we will be using present value formula. Then we will just put in the information into the formula, and our final answer will be 238,932 and 73 cents Ringgit Malaysia. For question D, if he fails to pay the first 5 monthly payments, find the amount he has to pay on the 6th payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. So for this question, we will be using the future value formula, which is as. So for our N, it will be 6 but not 5. Why not 5, Jehan? Because the question said amount he has to pay on the 6th payment. So we'll just put in the information to the formula, and the final answer will be 23,042.76 cents Ringgit Malaysia.
Question 5. Chang buys a smart 4K LED TV with a cash price of 18,999 ringgit by making a 15% down payment. The remaining balance is financed through a hire purchase agreement with a bank that charges 5.25% per annum compounded monthly. He agrees to pay equivalent monthly installments of 488 ringgit to settle the loan in full. The bank requires the loan to be fully repaid, and Chang wants to know exactly how long it will take. We will use all the information given, which is CP equals to 18,999 ringgit, DP equals to 15% multiply 18,999 ringgit. Then we will get 2,849 ringgit and 85 cents. A equals to 18,999 ringgit minus 2,849 ringgit and 85 cents. The answer is 16,149 ringgit and 15 cents. R equals to 488 ringgit. K equal to 0.0525. M equals to 12. I equals to 0.0525 divided by 12. N equals to 12t. A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I in bracket the power of negative n divided by I bracket. And substitutes all the information in the formula. 16,149 ringgit and 15 cents equals to 488 ringgit per bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.0525 divided by 12 and bracket to the power of negative 12t divided by 0.0525 divided by 12. 16,149 ringgit and 15 cents divided by 188 ringgit equals to 1 minus in bracket 1.004375 and bracket to the power of negative 12t divided by 0.0525 divided by 12. 3.0525 to 049 multiply 0.0525 divided by 12 equals to 1 minus 1.00487 and bracket the power of 12t. 0.14477977 minus 1 equals to negative open bracket 1.004375 and bracket to the power of 12t minus 0.855220222 equals to negative in bracket 1.004375 and bracket the power of negative 12t. Negative log 0.855220222 equals to open bracket negative 12t and bracket negative log 1.004375 negative log 0.855220222 divided by negative log 1.004375 equals to negative 12t. Negative 35.825869093 divided by negative 12 equals to t. So the answer is t equals to 2.99 years.